Hello all out there. So this is a new video about the Dreame A1 grass mower or robotic mower. I'm not so famous for gardening videos, but I did today, or as the new garden season started a few days ago here in Germany, I did today a maintenance of the robot, and I was wondering why is the Dreame A1 so heavy, so nose heavy, yeah. So what I want to tell you is that I realized a few times that when it's turning on a hill, yeah, not a steep hill, but only a little bit of hill, um, it starts to really twist around or strafe around with the front, yeah. And the reason for that is clearly that there's a lot of weight on those two front wheels, yeah. So those two front wheels are here, and you can see they are also full of dirt, but I will do another video about that soon, yeah. So what I discovered, there is, you can take off this top cover quite easily, yeah. It took me around 10 minutes. There's this kind of a frame here around the lidar sensor, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those snap-in noses, or whatever you want to call them. Beside that, you can see here Velcro, left and right. So this is the first thing you have to get off. So first go in with a screwdriver or something else and open those Velcros, and when you have those open, you can start to unclip from the lower side of the mower the top cover, or however you want to call it, yeah. So what I realized right now is that they have a big heat dissipation unit on the front, and it seems like this is only related to the lidar sensor. And what's quite interesting, you can see here also the manufacturer of this lidar. It's a Livox MID 3D, and those are somehow, I saw those are quite expensive parts. So this is the heart of the whole robot, of this whole Dreame concept, yeah, which is basically not a bad concept. I like the concept really much, because you don't have this kind of wires you have to send into the garden, and no RTK antennas, and also it's independent it's independent of GPS or other satellite navigation systems. So you can also navigate this robot through a garage or somewhere else where the coverage of the GPS might be missing, yeah. So I only want to show you what I found here, yeah. So this is also a reason why it's really top heavy, yeah, or nose heavy. You have the sensor here, the Livox MID30, and another part. What I realized is on the lower side. Give me a second. The lower side, there is this mowing wheel, yeah, and this one is quite heavy, and it's far away from the turning axis, or from the back wheels, which is the only thing can make this robot turn around, yeah. So basically, if you want to make this design much more better, you should get, it's really heavy on the front here. You should get this weight a little bit more to here, which makes the robot much more easier to turn, yeah. What else you have, and I could not discover it completely, because at this point I need to really unscrew the whole plastic cover here with the whole unit. So below this plate here, there is a circuit board, or the brain of the whole robot, yeah. Maybe one day I will start to get it off, but not today. But you can see here clearly the speakers, which make the sound, and I think this is a kind of breathing or a filter, or a kind of filter which don't let moist inside, but let the internal components, which are the computing unit, which can, so that can breathe. So yeah, it's somehow covered. And this is also covered from rain, because if you put it like this, the rain runs left and right down, so shouldn't be a big issue. So this is what I wanted to show you, and with that I will go back and build it back together, and then yeah, if you have questions, write some comments on this video. And with that, I will sign off, and bye.